They trap me again. This always happens. I'll let you get back to looking all fly, light skin. We'll get out of here, get like 10 shades darker, become Wesley Snipes.
Feels so good. You're lying here next to me. Oh, what a groove.
That must feel good, huh?
The breeze?
No, when you shave your legs.
Oh, yeah. I'm
and then when you put your clothes on, you say, oh wow.
No, that sounds when you rub your two legs together.
You know where?
I'm just saying, like, that's what someone told me. They ain't gonna look at me like that, okay? I ain't gay.
I can't find it. My one catch of the game.
Alright, so I'm gonna post a video for a second for you to understand where the bird is coming from, right? Because as you can see, Shem is holding something quite sharp. There is a lawnmower just right there close to the egg, and I think the bird is freaking out that we're gonna mow his egg, but we didn't. We just preserved it, we went around and everything was cool.
Abby was showing me this one of this Barbie. You wouldn't believe it. It's got like a million followers.
Which one, the Barbie that goes in trouble?
Yeah.
I saw it today, I was like, what?
It's so stupid. They're just like making the Barbie do like what people do.
Yeah, that's good. And she grew up like with other Barbies.
Yeah.
Like, she's got a Ken or something, you know?
And then like Barbie like with the coffee.
Yeah.
She's like, oh, look at my special like espresso coffee. And then like out in the woods, and it's like I'm out walking through the bush and just put in a piece of fern in front of my face for no reason. Because you don't do that when you're in the woods.
Follow me on Instagram at SHEMAIAH James. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
The light out, so it looks like you got some abs.
Yeah, look. I got some what?
Like you got some abs.
Looks like.
Je suis célibataire. Still means I'm single. I'm out here getting the baby home.
Bye.
Au revoir.